Hello, good people. How are you all? Let's talk about a different crypto site, that is Grandel. Grandel decentralized finance capabilities utilize a smart chain network that is actively revolutionizing the world of crypto. The program enables easy interoperability between various platforms and skyrockets the user's economic gains. Most of the platforms that adopt the decentralized finance protocol are usually based on Ethereum, as well as Grandel, which is a decentralized finance protocol that runs on Ethereum-based smart chain, which allows easy interoperability between various platforms and offers lower fees to users. At Grandel, user can access various decentralized finance features to increase their profit, such as swap, stake, liquidity mining, lend or borrow, non-fungible token marketplace, etc. Grandel will develop applications on the Venus Smart Chain platform, which is a very good ecosystem for developing applications and promoting the feature of Grandel. Seamless data coordination not only supports blockchain's decentralization but also enhances security. Grandel is highly programmable as it streamlines activities and paves the way for new digital assets. This approach to smart contracts allows for easier access to important data deemed indispensable in the blockchain network. Users benefit from the provision of enhanced liquidity and better real farming capabilities. This is backed by an effective token system that enables crypto traders and yield farmers to maximize their financial earnings. Their robust distribution methods ensure zero disruption to on-chain activities in the Grandel ecosystem. To top it off, Grandel agile structure lays the groundwork for aspiring developers to launch their application by using all sorts of real-time data insights. There are unique opportunities for discovery, analysis, and decision-making. The use cases are various and far-reaching in terms of their collective impact on users. From decentralized autonomous organizations and derivatives to decentralized exchanges and margin trading, the possibilities are truly endless. Thus, Grandel builds an unshakable foundation for all those immersed in the world of blockchain. Let's have a look on their roadmap. They start their journey by planning an idea phase on January 2021. Because they believe a strong beginning marks a strong end. The company finalized its white paper to inform users of its viability and highlighted the flexibility offered by a powerful decentralized finance system. This planning and idea phase was continued till March 2021. Then comes their website, fundraising and partnerships. It has started on March 2021 and will be continued July 2021. Many people contributed as a result of the unwavering dedication of the Grandel team. Their development phase will be start on July 2021 and will be continued on September 2021. They are planning to launch Grandel on December 2021. Decentralized finance is a protocol that allows cryptocurrencies to be applied in more complex financial cases. Decentralized finance allows crypto users to maximize their profit through their various features provided. And Grandel is one of the platforms that adopts the decentralized finance protocol. Grandel focuses on providing a better decentralized finance platform with multiple chain technology, which allows users to access decentralized finance feature more safely, lower fees, and a better return of investment. If you want to enjoy safe income with lower fees, Grandel will be the best choice for you. So hurry up guys,